Samson's story begins with the sound of a prophecy, one that declared he would be a deliverer of Israel. From childhood, he carried a strength no man could explain, a power tied directly to a vow between him and God. As he grew, so did his reputation. Nations feared him. Armies trembled at the mention of his name. But inside this mighty warrior lived a quiet vulnerability. The longing to be understood, loved, and accepted. And that longing led him to Delilah. Delilah was charming, graceful, and disarming. To Samson, she was the peace he never had, the soft voice after a lifetime of war. But hidden beneath her smile was a mission, a reward promised by the Philistine rulers if she could uncover the secret behind Samson's supernatural strength. Day after day, she tested him with gentle words and playful questions. "Tell me the secret of your strength," she would whisper. And Samson, torn between loyalty to God and love for Delilah, danced dangerously close to the edge. He played along with riddles, giving false answers. But each time she discovered the lie, her persistence dug deeper into his heart. Eventually, her words broke him, not because she was powerful, but because Samson laid down the one thing that made him unstoppable: his obedience. When he revealed the truth, Delilah acted swiftly. She lulled him to sleep, and as he rested on her lap, his hair, the symbol of God's covenant with him, was cut. The strength that once shook nations left him. The Philistines chained him, mocked him, and forced him into labor. For the first time in his life, Samson stood not as a mighty warrior, but as a broken man. Yet, in that darkness, something powerful happened. Samson remembered who he really was. Not a man defined by failure, but a man chosen by God. His hair began to grow again, but even more importantly, so did his spirit. One final time, he whispered a prayer not of pride, but of purpose. "Lord, strengthen me just once more." With renewed power, Samson pushed against the pillars of the Philistine temple. And in his final act, he fulfilled the destiny spoken over his life. His story reminds us that even when we fall, even when our choices weaken us, God is able to restore strength, purpose, and victory. Your downfall is never the end. It is only a setup for a greater comeback. No mistake is powerful enough to cancel God's calling over your life. If you have been inspired by this biblical story, kindly like and subscribe to our channel and type "I am blessed" in the comment section below. If there are other animated stories you would like to see, kindly comment it as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.